Hi there. Are you a beginner learning English and looking for simple ways to improve every day? You're in the right place. Today, we'll share 7 easy activities to help boost your English skills. Let's get started. Activity 1. Read simple English text. Start by reading simple English text for 10 minutes, 15 minutes daily. Pick children's books, short articles, or simple blogs. This helps you learn new words and understand basic sentences. Activity 2. Practice speaking with voice recording. A phone or voice recorder to practice speaking in English. Record yourself talking about your day, describing an object, or telling a story. Listen to the recording and repeat to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Activity 3. Watch English cartoons or shows with subtitles. Watch English cartoons or simple shows with subtitles. This helps your listening skills and teaches new words. Start with subtitles in your language and later switch to English subtitles. Activity 4. Write short sentences in English daily. Practice writing short sentences in English every day. This could be about your day, feelings, or new words you've learned. This helps improve your writing skills. Activity 5. Learn a few new words each day. Aim to learn 3 minutes 5 new English words daily. Use flashcards or apps to help remember them. Practice using these words in sentences. Activity 6. Listen to basic English podcasts or stories. Listen to simple English podcasts or stories to improve listening and learn pronunciation. Choose topics you like and listen while doing daily tasks. Activity 7. Practice English using smartphone apps. Use smartphone apps designed for English learners. These apps often have fun games and quizzes to help you practice listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills at your own pace. And that's it. 7 easy activities for beginners to improve English daily. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning!